just a block from downtown. You go past the Hotel Museum of Art. We're on Blake Street. Splash pad.
It's right there.
Yeah, come on, Isaac. Let's keep going. Yeah. Oh, cool rock.
It's a little hot.
Wow, neat.
Nice.
Bentonville rocks. Lisa, you don't have to come down here if you don't want to.
She wants you.
Okay.
Look! It's covered up by water, so my shoes is up top. Wait! There's a little bridge over here and more stairs?
Yeah.
Isn't this fun?
Yep, there's a big acorn.
There's a bunny.
Yeah.
There's a turtle. That's a mommy.
Mommy went that way. She's down the hill now.
And now I'm here now.
This is Crystal Bridges. Okay.
Cool.
And the rabbit.
So you go through that. Go into that one. Good job. Your sunrise and sunset. Yeah. Oh, really? The skyscapes. The scene. There's a few of these, like, all over the world.